Our virtual retreat is September 14th through the 15th. I hope you can join us. We are going to have so much fun. I can't wait to see you there. We'll be live in the chat. The retreat is absolutely free. You can register with the link in the description box. I'll also have the link to this gorgeous retreat bundle. You can craft along with us or use items from your stash. We have 8 talented instructors who will be teaching fun workshops featuring card making and other exciting projects. Get your glue gun out. For my class, I'll be teaching this gorgeous gatefold card with belly band. So I'm going to teach this rustic elegant style. You're going to need some inks, some lace. Go through your craft room and see what you have. I don't want you running out and buying anything new. Just shop your stash for little trinkets like paper flowers. You can make them yourself, or if you have any of these paper flowers, I think I used to get these from I Am Roses. I'm not sure if they're still in business, but they're paper flowers. I have some burlap on my card, some lace, some doilies. You can also make that with paper if you have special dies to create that. Just think outside the box. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. I know this may be out of your comfort zone for some of you, but I want you to give it a try. You can also go back and make this card a clean and simple card without all of these embellishments if you are concerned about mailing this through the mail. So this is a special card that you're going to want to hand deliver or pad it up with some bubble wrap if you're going to mail this out. So the belly band comes off, and it's really special. They can keep this on the inside. I've decorated it, and then also on the outside. So this is a really special card. So let's take a look at the bundle. I'll have all the links in the description box for you where you can pick up your special bundle. You can add on some of the items. In your bundle, you get this beautiful word die with shadow. It says, "Enjoy this life." It is so, so pretty. You can use it with the shadow or without. You get a beautiful set of enamel dots that coordinate with the whole collection. They have sparkle in them. They're very, very pretty. Beautiful fall images in there. There's some cute girls, some cute little characters, some pumpkins, some florals, some sentiments. We've got the Fall Life paper pad. You get 12 designs. You get 4 of each design. We've got the very cute 6x6 stamp set. This is called Fall Life. Got some beautiful fall icons. Love that cute little fox. We've got the sentiments. Find joy in the simple pleasures. Hello fall. Fall is in the air. Happy fall, y'all. Autumn blessings. Give thanks. And there's a little fall here that you can stamp on the sweater. And also this fits in the sweater as well. Hello fall. And you can also stamp in the leaves, or like I think the mushroom will even fit in there, and decorate your sweater. We've got a perfectly plaid 6x6 stencil. This is really, really pretty. Can have fun with that. And these 2 items here are add-ons, so you can add this on to your order. We've got the Fall Life plaids. If you did order during the early bird bonus, you are getting this paper pad for free. So really pretty. And you can also add on the coordinating die set to your stamp set here. It does cut out all the images. It has a nice little cut for the inside of the mug. So I'm going to bring out some of the supplies that I'll be using for the class. So you're going to need some kind of ink. I have distress ink and oxide ink. I like to use this to ink up the edges of my paper when I do this technique. So I think these colors would go great. Anything like vintage photo, walnut stain, tea dye, rusty hinge, maybe frayed burlap. And then I got vintage photo and walnut stain and the oxide. You can also use any of your regular inks that you have. Maybe you have a color that's going to match this paper collection. and you want to use a colored ink, or you have some browns, something that's going to go nicely with this. So I don't want you to run out and buy anything new. I want you to use what you have in your stash for the project that I'm going to be sharing in the class. You may want to use some doilies. These are all different options. We've got paper doilies that you can use. There's doodlebug doilies. You might have those in your stash. You might have a die that cuts out like a doily shape. Or you can use some real doilies if you have lots of lace in your stash. Something like this. Something that you found at a thrift store. We may be using some laces, something like this. If you have any of this in your stash, or maybe you have a die that does a little scallop trim you can use. If you don't have any lace, you can use ribbon. Some burlap might be fun for this project. So if you have any of burlap, or maybe you have twine. Some buttons. I have some wooden buttons that might look cute with this. So curate something that's going to like go really nicely together, and I'll show you how to put all of this together on a card. You might want to use some flowers. These are some paper flowers. You can make your own paper flowers if you know how to do that. So I just grabbed some flowers from my stash that may go with this collection. Just some rustic looking colors, and I did have these colors that some of those colors may match, like the purple, maybe this peach. Now you can definitely make this card without any of these items. I'm just going to show you a different way to do your card. So you can make the card without any of those embellishments. Do not worry if you don't have any of those. You're also going to need a sponge dauber. Any kind will do. Something that you can swipe your ink onto your paper with. You're going to need something to rough up the edges on your paper, so you can use your scissors or this Tim Holtz tool. It has like a blade in there, and you can use that to rough up your edges on your paper. We're going to do this in class, so all you do is like rough it up. That's using the tool. I've had this one for, gosh, probably like 13 years. I don't know, forever. It never goes dull. Or you could just use your scissors. Just be very careful you don't cut yourself. So if this sounds like a fun event for you, come join us. I'll have the link to the free registration in the YouTube description box for you. I'll also have the links to the retreat bundle. I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be so much fun. And if you can't make it, you can always watch the replay. So we'll have this on a replay. You could watch it as many times as you wish. You could stop, forward, rewind, and always go back to the video. Stay tuned for more class samples, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!